If you're having trouble with your USB ports, follow these steps to identify and fix the issue. First, make sure all USB ports are enabled in BIOS. Turn off the computer. Then connect a USB device to the malfunctioning USB port. Turn on the computer, and at the Dell logo screen, repeatedly tap the F2 key to access BIOS. The following steps will differ based on your system. For systems manufactured after 2021, go to the Integrated Devices section. Scroll down to the USB Thunderbolt configuration section. Check the boxes next to Enable External USB Ports and Enable USB Boot Support. Click Apply Changes, Exit, and then OK to save the changes. For systems manufactured before 2021, go to System Configuration and select USB Configuration. Check the boxes next to Enable External USB Ports and Enable USB Boot Support. Click Apply, then Exit, and select Yes to save changes. Once back in Windows, restart the computer. At the Dell logo screen, repeatedly tap the F12 key to enter the one-time boot menu. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to navigate to Diagnostics. Press Enter to prompt a quick test. Press the Escape key to stop it. Click on Advanced Test. Uncheck the Select All box and check the box next to USB devices. Then click Run Test. If you receive an error code, make a note of it and contact us via one of the options on our support website. If no errors were detected, continue with the next step. Refresh USB controller and hub. Disconnect all USB devices except for the keyboard and mouse. Click on the Windows Start button to search for and open Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers to view all the USB controllers on your system. Right-click on USB Host Controller. Select Uninstall Device and click Uninstall to initiate the process. If you are prompted to restart the computer after uninstalling a USB host controller, click No. You should only restart the PC after uninstalling all USB host controllers. Uninstall the USB host controllers and then uninstall the USB root hub by repeating the uninstall steps. Restart your computer to automatically install your USB controllers. Next, we'll update BIOS. Before you begin, make sure your laptop stays connected to the charger during this process. Open a web browser and go to dell.com/support. Identify your system automatically or by typing in the service tag. Select Drivers and Downloads and then click Select Drivers. Choose your operating system if it isn't already selected and set the category as BIOS. Click on BIOS and check the box next to the BIOS driver. Click on Selected for Download to open the driver details page. Scroll down and click Download. When the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder in File Explorer and open the BIOS update file. Accept any confirmation prompts and click on Update. Follow the instructions to update BIOS. A system restart is required to complete the installation. When the process is finished, the system will boot into Windows. If you're still having USB port issues, let's test them with Support Assist. Click on the Windows Start button to search for and open Support Assist. Go to the Support tab and under Test My Hardware, click on Get Started. Expand the section, I want to check a specific piece of hardware. Scroll down and under System Devices, select USB ports. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the test. If you receive an error code, make a note of it and contact us via one of the options on our support website. If no errors are found, exit Support Assist. If all else fails, we'll need to perform a system restore. Click on the Windows Start button and type System Restore into the search bar. Select Create a Restore Point. In the System Properties window, click on System Restore and then Next. To view the apps that will be removed in this process, click on Scan for Affected Programs. Choose a restore point, click Next, and then Finish. Confirm by clicking Yes. If you are not seeing any restore points available, it may be because your system protection is not on. Once confirmed, the restore point will apply. Note that any software installed after the restore point will be lost and you'll need to reinstall it. If you're still having issues with your system USB ports, contact us via our website or social media so we can assist you. There are many other helpful tutorials on this channel, so become a subscriber today.